Ito yung room namin kanina, guys. Ito na yung bird suite. That's my bed. And that is there. Time is 5:30. Kakatanggal lang ng third antibiotic ko. So, wala na akong drip. But soon I'll be in the CTG again. They will put the CTG for baby to monitor. Yan. This is our view here. Good morning, people. Another vlog. Today is Tuesday na, guys. 31st of December. It's gonna be the New Year's Eve. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan kami dito. Hanggang lumabas yung bata. Dito pa din siya. Ayan. That's our baby. Today is 37 weeks and 4 days na tayo. O, diba? Akala ko mag-full term ka, be. Hindi naman pala. Balik ulit tayo sa CTG. Ayun, nalagay na, guys. That is right there. So, ayun yung plan is mag-IE ulit yung midwife soon. So, hintayin na lang natin siya. Well, when I did a wee, parang may fresh, hindi siya fresh blood actually, parang mucousy blood siya. So, sabi niya maganda daw yun kasi that means may ginagawa yung cervix ko. Pero, ano pa din guys, may ano pa din na malabas na water. Ayan na yung heartbeat ni baby. Diyan lang. Medyo maingay siya. Ito yung food ko, guys. And then, wheat bix. Ito na yung kinain ko. Fruit juice. Apple juice. Daddy's still sleeping. Baby's happy. He's a very happy baby daw. Happy talaga daw siya. It's now 8:10 ng umaga. And I'm contracting, pero kaya ko pa naman. So, I don't know how many centimeters na dilated yung cervix ko. Kasi kagabi pa ako in-IE. So, wala pa akong IE today. But, yeah, it's contracting. Medyo masakit, pero tolerable pa. So, we will see later. Daddy's still sleeping. Tulog pa si Daddy. Hindi siya comfortable dun sa tinulugan niya kagabi. Dito kasi may couch dun sa kabila. Wala. Naka-drip na pala tayo. So, I've got oxytocin on. Ayan. So, we have a drip there. Pero, small dose lang daw. Just to help. Kasi they're trying to protect my uterus. Kasi yun yung risk after, like, you know, cesarean. Yung uterine rupture. Pag ini-induce. So, yeah. I think it started at, kailan ba start 7? Or 6:30? Doon nag-start ako lagyan ng drip. 6:45. Nasa whiteboard pala. Ayan. Hello! Dito tayo sa fitball, guys. Ayan. Diba? Oh! Exercise din. Kumukontract na siya, pero kaya pa naman. Kaya pa naman natin. Buko lang ang gulo. Diba? Daddy got me banana bread. Is it toasted, Daddy? Banana bread. Ay, hindi ko pa yun. Kain tayo, guys. Ganyan lang. What kind of bread is that? Matakit na siya, guys.
And the baby will be out.
Bago na sa kabog daw, Joy.
You just woke up. Good morning!
Morning.
How's your sleep?
And
That's good. Did you have fun there?
they want to see how it did well.
Huh?
This is how I did well.
Oh, you did well. Wow. How about 8 plus 1 equals? The 8.
8 plus 1, 9.
Yeah, 9. Well done. You're so good. You're doing your addition? Tumawag na siya. Kakagising lang daw.
Nagpangan sa class, kinatanda sige. Nagagi isang 10, 20, 30, 40.
Ah.
Kasi ito po na yung stand sa class. Ay sa nagya answer. Pagpoy na siya daw. Balaan ko na nakuan siya.
Tapos hambal na pretend daw siya, ma-pretend ka tama siya.
Isa lang kanya answer.
Look, this is mommy's bed. That's mommy's bed. Mommy on the ball again. Look, mommy's ball. You see mommy on the ball?
Nakatlakan mo, John.
The same at home? You have a boo-boo? Where's your boo-boo?
Where?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How's your boo boo?
You.
Were you being silly?
What's your joke? Yung drawing.
She drew that mom said.
What's LB?
Little brother. She doesn't know how to spell. Ah, so pretty.
Pero kayo ba?
Okay, Daddy's going.
Just like,
That's better.
you haven't given birth yet. And ano lang yung lunch ko, slow beef gravy, slow cooked beef. Sarap siya. Kaya hindi ko naubos, guys. It's now 1 o'clock. And 5 cm na ako nung chinek ng mga 12. So, halfway na tayo. Malapit na. Si V bumaba, malis kasi magla-lunch siya. Wala pa siyang lunch. And yeah, balik ulit ako sa aking bed. Mamaya, mag-ball ulit tayo. Sana ma-push natin yung vaginal birth. Oh my gosh, pagod. cm na ako, guys, pero wala akong nararamdaman na sobrang sakit. As in, nagugulat kasi na sabi niya, bakit ang kalma ko daw? Yung kalma-kalma ko lang daw. Tapos wala pa akong pain relief at all. So, ayun, nagulat din ako na 5 cm na ako. Sabi ko, 5 cm na ako. Parang gano'n din kay Angelo. Same lang din kay Angelo, actually. Hindi ko pa masyado nararamdaman yung sakit. Pero pag umabot na siguro to more than 5, feeling ko, hindi ko na kaya. Wala pa akong pain relief at all. Pero I remember kay Angelo, nung 5 cm, ako parang meron na akong hip pack. Oo. Ngayon wala pa din. My gosh, God bless me. So yeah, nakakaano lang. Nakakagulat. But yeah, sana makaya natin hanggang mamaya. Para goods. Kahit hindi na tayo mag-epidural. Diba? My gosh. Kaya natin to, guys, fighting. Nagugulat yung mga pumapasok na midwife. Pag chine-check nila ako na parang makalma ko lang daw. People, time check, it's 4:25. And inaiin nila ulit ako nung 4. And it's still the same, 5 cm pa din daw ako, guys. So, The plan is to wait for 2 more hours and if hindi siya mag-progress, kailangan daw ako isi-section. So, I don't know kung magpa-progress tong ating cervix. But, yeah, it was going well. It was going well. But, I wanna ask if they can still give us more time kasi I don't know how many hours na din si baby na nawala yung tubig pa. Na broke yung water. So, I don't know. Anyway, what can we do? But yeah, his heartbeat is really good. He's still good in there. Kaya lang medyo matagal na din siya. So, risk of infection kasi pag lalo pa siyang tumagal. Kaya naka-antibiotic pa din ako. So, I'm due for my next antibiotic at 5 ata. So, kailangan nila ako bigyan ng isa pang drip na antibiotic later. Yes, baby's still not coming out. Pero nagko-contract naman siya, kaya hindi masakit talaga. I cannot feel the pain. So, ewan ko. Tapos na yung IV fluid ko. Tumutunog na siya. Kumukuha lang yung midwife ng bagong IV fluid. But yeah, buntis pa din si buntis. Baby, ano na? And update, parang konti lang yung guys, progress. So, pinadecide nila ako kung mag-section na ako now. Pero sabi namin ni V, pwede pa mag-wait ng 2 more hours. Kasi okay naman si baby, walang sign of infection and anything. Pero if there's any daw na makita nila na may problem, I have to go straight away sa theater para sa C-section. So, yun yung plan. Hindi natin mapupush. Pero sana, sa 2 hours na yun. So, from now, so it's gonna be 8 o'clock. Kung hindi pa, wala pang progress. Wala talaga. C-section talaga tayo, guys. Pero nagko-contract na siya na feel ko na masakit. As in, feel ko na masakit siya ngayon. So, yun, sabi namin, wait na lang muna. Baka kaya pa naman ng time. Pero pag wala tayong magagawa. Daddy has snacks. Dumaan yung pinsan niya. Binigyan siya snacks. Binigyan siya ng mga pagkain. I'm calling mama. But, no one's answering. Saan kaya sila? Ano oras na? 6:40 na, guys. Diba? Dito yung laptop ko. Mag-e-edit sana ako. Kaya lang, hindi naka-charge yung earpods. Hey, no one's answering.
Yes?
Hello, what are you doing?
Wait, Mia.
Mommy?
Hello?
Baby out already?
No, baby's not out. Mommy's still pregnant.
Why is baby taking so long to come out?
He doesn't want to come out. Huh? Wow, you look so sexy. Let me see your outfit. Wow. Ha?
Nakabal sa doktor.
Wala pag open akong cervix fully sa 10. Ano pa lang? Ako man Japon. Mga 6 centimeter pa lang ko, no?
Mag-joke?
Ha?
Safety man, hindi mag-joke?
Hindi mag-dilate. Hindi wala pag-dako akong cervix. Wala pag-open. Masyado.
Pero ang bata, hindi man na overdue.
Wala man gintagaan ko nila antibiotic para mas safe siya. Kaya wala na masyado sang tubig, di ba? Nagwa na yung tubig.
Talk to mommy. To mommy.
Hello. Hello. What are you doing? You're so sexy. Are you eating? What are you eating? Wow, you have snacks?
Baby nga doon siya ay. Nakita yan ako.
Nalamian sa sina. Hey, nangayo pa ko sang 2 more hours pa mako basi mag-progress pa man. Basi mag-open pa man bala. Aba ko 2 more hours pa nga mahulat. Kaya hambal nila. Kaya kagina hambal nila kung by 6 hindi pa mag-progress. C-section ako.
Mommy, what is baby brother doing?
Ay hambal ko wait na mga 2 hours kung pwede pa. Oh. What?
Talk to mommy. Talk to mommy.
Mommy, babe, why is the baby not coming out?
Because mommy is not fully dilated. You have to reach to 10. Mommy is only 6. Say hello to the people.
Hi, baby mama.
Are you gonna play with the sparkle later with Tita Pretty?
Yeah, we can play a lot of games.
Aww. Okay, and you have fun, okay?
No, but you can't be there because baby doesn't go out.
No, I can't be there. Mommy's sad. Mommy's sad. Mommy can't be there.
Pwede mo na dugangan ko.
Are you sad because you're still there?
Mommy can't be there. Mommy not gonna play with you with the sparkle.
But I have a great idea. Maybe tomorrow, and I'll ask everybody if we can still play.
Okay. If mommy is out tomorrow in the hospital, and then we can go play with the sparkles.
Yeah, together. So tomorrow we can play again.
Okay. Mommy miss you. You miss mommy? Aw. Are you excited to see baby brother? Okay. It will be New Year's Eve later. It's gonna be 2025. Soon. Yeah? What's that face? Itsura niya. Do it again? Do it again?
Daddy.
Ha?
Daddy.
Daddy? Daddy's there. There. Daddy's there.
Dad, come here. Come here. Come here. I'm just like to see softly.
What is it, Popo Bam Bam? What happened? What are you eating?
What's that, be? What's that? Biko? Ano na? Dulce nga saging? Ay, wow.
You're square.
Yaman namin ito yung mobra last time kag. I like it.
You're square, Madam Daddy.
So, 8:50 na and they did IE and wala pa din progress, guys. So, the only option is to go to theater. That is here. Ayaw niyo kunin yung camera ko, so nag-phone na lang ako. Anyway, ayun na nga. Nagko-contract pa din siya. Medyo sumasakit na nga eh. But yeah, so I decided to have a shower first before mag-theater. Di ba magsha-shower pa ako? So, ready na yung aking mga gagamitin. So, I think the midwife will give me a dressing gown, she said. So, yeah. We ended up having C-section. But that's okay. That's for the safety of the baby. But then there's still risk, no? Pag nag-C-section ka, there's a lot of risk. But yeah. And it's also hard for the the healing process talaga, guys. New Year na soon. Kain tayo. May mga food na binigay, guys, kasi hindi pa ako nakakain. Ayan. Crackers and cheese and Sprite. I feel so dizzy. Kailan natapos yung kahit? I think that was 11 or 10:30 natapos. So, yeah. We did this. Ayan. Baby's feeding right here. He's actually really good at sucking. So good. Kain muna tayo kasi I feel so dizzy.
Cold.
No, I feel hot. I feel so dizzy. New Year na pala, guys. Ano oras na? What time is it already? 11:26. Oh my gosh. Happy New Year, guys. I'm so tired. Naalala ko tuloy yung kay Mia. So, we went to this theater. I was like telling me na hindi ko na-experience yung ganun. Kasi, when they did the emergency, syempre, parang wala na akong malay. Like, pagod na ako. I'm exhausted. So, like, I saw them preparing and everything. This time, kasi last time, wala talaga as in. Gipong talaga ako. It's okay, Daddy. I have this. I have this. Tapos nung nag-start na, yung anesthetist na bigyan ako ng anesthesia. Nag-start na sila mag-prepare and everything. Hindi ko kaya, guys. Hindi ko kaya na gising ako. Tapos, nakapikit na lang ako. Kasi parang, ano ba yun? Parang may nakatapak dito, sa chest ko. Na parang hindi ako makahinga. So, I decided to just like close my eyes and try my rest. Kasi parang hindi talaga ako makahinga. Pero normal naman daw yun. Yung naman talaga yung feeling pag umpisa. Pero mag-wear out din naman daw ng mga 30 seconds. So, nakapikit lang ako. Praying na sana maging successful. And, ayun, hanggang sa lumabas to, napaluha lang ako. Kasi narinig ko siya na umiiyak. So, yeah. He's actually 3.64 kilograms. Parang same sila ng weight ni Mia. Kasi si Mia 3.6. Hindi ko lang alam yung last digits.
I think also 3.64.
Really?
I'm pretty sure. Check the
Pero
picture.
37 weeks lang siya, ha? And 4 days. Siya na
I think you
talaga.
got more hair than me.
And Mia is like 39 weeks and 5 days. How much more? Oh my gosh, how much more if he stayed full term? Ay, nako. Wala na. Erase na tayo sa normal delivery. Pag magka-baby ulit, cesarean na talaga diretso. Hmm. 3.64. Ay, nako. Ikaw na talaga, baby. Tapos mabalbon siya. Ang dami niyang hair. Same as Mia. Hmm? Iiyak na naman siya. It's okay. I'm here. Daddy, you haven't eaten yet.
That's my dinner.
Is that your dinner?
What else can I eat?
There's a sandwich. We can have together. So yeah, i-end ko na yung vlog natin. Yun lang yung vlog natin today, guys. So sana nagustuhan nyo yung vlog. Wala tayong labor na masakit-sakit na labor. Hindi natin na kaya na i-vaginal birth siya. Well, kaya naman siguro, pero hindi kasi nag-dilate yung cervix natin on time. And ayaw na nila patagalin since, risk of infection. Pero nung mga 8 o'clock, okay pa naman. Everything's okay. Like, yung happy si baby, okay pa naman ako. Kaya lang, pag ayaw na nila patagalin pa. Kasi nga, mas mabuti na daw na mag-act na okay pa ang lahat kaysa mag-act ka na, nasa bad situation na. So, ayun. Okay naman, ang C-section. Masakit na nararamdaman ko na yung sakit ng stitches. My goodness. Bibigyan nila ako ng medicine soon, pero hinihintay lang muna mag-wear off yung sa paa ko kasi medyo mabigat pa yung paa ko. Anyway guys, that's everything for this vlog. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung vlog. Ating baby boy. Kamukhang kamukha ni Ate Mia. And ni Kuya Angelo. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe in our channel if you haven't yet. And also don't forget to click the notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when we upload more videos. Bye guys! Happy New Year! Dito na kami nag-New Year sa hospital. Dito na kami nag-spend ng New Year's Eve. Daddy is chilling, eating the uwishi. Are you happy, Daddy?
You want some?
Are you happy?
Want some?
Are you happy? You see your baby boy? That's spicy.
Oh, what's that?
Okay.
You can only have that. This is prawn.
Huh?
Cracker, maybe it's not good for your wounds. You're not allowed to eat prawn and squid and shellfish for maybe 2-3 weeks.